start at play.
हाँ जी.
हाँ record on है.
Hi people. Hi.
Hello people. Hi बोल ले people बोल ले कुछ भी बोल
कुछ
ले.
भी बोल ले.
इसमें बोल ले.
Fluent.
ये भी डलने वाला वैसे तो स्टार्टिंग में.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cinema Goggle. My name is Nikhil and
My name is Vish.
My name is Vishali.
And I'm Yukina.
I went like my name is Vishali.
Yeah. So what are we gonna do today?
Euphoria. We are going to do a song by Jungkook. As we all know that we are covering every single member of BTS
Yes.
one by one.
One
And
by
it's turn for none other than our main vocalist of BTS, Jungkook. Your
My
man.
man.
Yes. So yeah, we have heard the song. Have you
Yes.
heard the song?
No.
We have heard the song but not seen the music video, and he
Yes.
hasn't seen or heard anything, and I think you don't even know anything about BTS.
Okay, you don't watch our videos.
nope.
A traitor.
Sorry.
A traitor,
And
Muthu.
it's
I do.
Traitor spotted.
He's supposed to be my best friend.
So okay, so you basically this is a song called Euphoria. It's by Jungkook. Jungkook is a member of BTS. BTS is a boy band
A huge
from
boy
Korea. It's the biggest boy band on the planet.
Okay.
Okay, is that enough information for today?
And we are an army.
I might have heard some songs. You know, Nikita.
Yeah,
you-
definitely.
Yeah.
Like Fake Love.
definitely.
Fake love.
I
Don't
know.
He
tell
wouldn't
me.
remember. He
Don't
wouldn't
tell me.
remember.
Oh God, he hasn't heard Fake Love, guys.
The only international songs he listens to are the ones that his sister makes him.
Yeah.
And I make him.
I'm pretty sure you're going to like this song. This is a nice song. We haven't
Yes.
seen a video to it. So shall we just dive into it?
Please.
Yeah, please.
Do us
Okay.
the honor.
Please तो ठीक है. On भी तो करके रख.
सबसे पहले चला.
Me? Okay,
No,
why
no.
is he there? Though.
Let's just.
What
watch
are you
it.
doing, V? Don't steal Jungkook shine. Oh, okay.
No one can.
Oh.
And he won't even try to do that. We has an own shine. What? Is this the
Oh,
right
this
video?
is from I Need You. I think this is related to the storyline, and that's why they're showing the short. Yeah, see.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so it's an old song, Euphoria. I didn't know that.
You know
No,
nothing.
but it's
Shanshu.
not that old. Oh my god. What?
Okay, it's too much to process for him since he know nothing. This is a wrong pick, I guess.
No,
But let's see.
even I don't know
That's
shit
Jin.
about it.
That's the most beautiful man on the planet.
Wish I would look that good in a shirt and shorts.
I know, right?
We just wish.
That's worldwide handsome Jin. He always
Yeah.
says that, hi, I'm worldwide handsome. And he is. That's Suga. Oh, he's seeing everyone. Oh, okay.
Because he's dead.
Oh,
Their storyline is
Oh.
just always.
yeah,
Always
because Suga
amazing.
burned his house down, so they're showing that Jungkook saved him. Okay, okay.
Oh, the piano kicked in. I didn't even recognize. Oh, I jump.
Okay, this is clearing so many things, but why is J-Hope sitting there? And why and how?
Okay.
Wow, this feeling is.
Yeah.
Now someone,
Liberating.
now someone write 500 words in the comments
Yeah.
just
Yes.
to tell us the storyline.
Yeah, and I will read it all.
Yeah, you would. Because you have nothing else to do.
Says the one who. Okay.
Are you sure it's a song with
Look at Yuki
vocals?
running. The way he ran. Okay, that was funny.
I'm just waiting for that one subscriber to tell us everything.
There are going to be a lot of subscribers telling us a lot of things.
Yeah. That okay, you don't know it? That's
No,
it.
I'm getting what's happening. I'm getting it. It's
Yeah,
after
and-
I Need
You're
You.
okay.
Yes, and I'm
It's
just
after.
loving this whole concept.
Yeah.
And I'm just loving this piano.
Yeah.
That's. Wow, it's so beautiful.
That's the kind of music I listen all the time.
Yeah.
Kundi.
Yeah! Finally. Finally. Oh, so it's the only song that I've seen where all the members are there, even for a
Maybe
single.
it is the first song
Oh.
that came. No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. You are the cause of my euphoria.
Okay, so that's Jungkook. That's the main singer of the song. Yellow.
All of them
jacket.
look like kids.
Wow.
They are there. Yeah.
I bet they are just being themselves. It's not even scripted.
When they're all together, that's the state of euphoria for him.
Yes.
That's it. Yeah.
Wow.
I like the way it's shot.
Yeah.
He looks
Yeah, I have seen this clip on net.
I love the song.
Wow.
Wow, I like the hook.
Oh, pretty boy.
This is so liberating, man. This gives you a vibe of freedom.
Yeah,
Which
that's what
is-
they're showing. They're showing Jungkook's perspective to the storyline.
Yeah, maybe.
It's like that all of them were in some kind of
Yeah.
off, like.
But when they're together, they're happy.
Yeah.
Look, Jin's here. Jin's not dead. Wait, what?
Wow, what a shot.
It was a really short song.
Yeah. But a great storyline. Okay, they're going to collect we.
Collect?
Yeah,
Where
he
is your
jumped.
ransom?
Yeah, because he jumped there. I think the song is not ended yet because he didn't hit the iconic
Yeah.
note yet.
Who died?
Nobody. I
Nobody,
think they all
dude.
are here just
All of
to
them
pay
are
their
wearing whites.
gratitude.
Like in India, when you wear all whites, it means that someone's dead.
Yeah, but it's like a peace color everywhere.
Yeah.
else.
Yeah.
Dude, you just jumped there. How are you?
Yeah, even the criminals in the jail wear white.
I wish to have a haircut like V's. Seriously, man.
You won't look good.
I know that's the only thing which is stopping me.
Just messing with it.
Oh wow.
Oh. So he gave you the idea to do that?
Jump?
Yeah. He gave you that. He gave you that idea. Jin.
Okay.
They say in the like.
Let me record you.
They say
first.
that all the songs.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
I love such cameras, man.
And the music
I
video
love-
cameras?
in the back.
This actually shows happiness and
Yeah.
freedom, but the tone in the background.
Exactly.
it's
It's
sad.
kind
really
of
sad.
depressing.
Wow,
Yeah, because they're dead,
impressed.
right?
Because the storyline is depressing.
One of them is dead.
Yeah, the one who was shooting them, he's
Yeah.
actually dead.
Yeah,
They are
Oh.
just imagining him. Look, he's never there with them.
he's dead.
He's dead.
That's what they tell us in the comments.
Yeah.
Like, during the whole storyline,
Don't smile
all
like
the
that.
This
songs,
one's
he's
dead.
almost dead all
Don't
the
smile
time.
like that.
Oh.
You'll make me
He
cry.
died like in the very beginning of the story.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. What?
What I have heard about them was like their backstory is like kind of very depressing. Like
Mhm.
they have a lot of struggle while
Yeah,
making
in
videos.
reality. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, in reality they did.
That is all I know about them, and other than that, what I know is they all other six are the backup for the other one.
No, no,
Like,
no,
they
no,
have
no.
each other's backup.
Yeah,
You know,
that is
yeah, each other's
well,
backup, but-
as in like support system.
Yeah, support systems. Sorry.
Yeah, well they are. Well they are.
That's all I knew about
And you
them.
know BTS is the cause of my euphoria.
And it's
Yeah.
one of the few bands where like all the members like have like the exact same amount of effort and the exact same amount of the screen time. Of
Yeah.
the song.
Yeah, this song
Like
was.
everyone at least sings or raps,
Okay.
and all of them dance.
So one of the songs that I have heard of K-pop was Mega Wolf.
What?
Mega Wolf, I knew. That might be.
I have no clue about that.
Dio
love this song.
was one of them.
I think it is not the extended version. I think it's the short version because
Yeah.
there's like an iconic note
Mega
that
Wolf.
Jungkook
Mega
hits
Wolf.
and it's like really high, like F5 or something, and it was
Song?
not in this one. So I think this was more like
Are
a
you sure
video
it's
is
a
more
yeah.
like a
Yeah.
showing the story.
Yeah.
Okay.
This was the.
Oh, it's by EXO.
EXO.
EXO. We did one video for EXO.
Yeah.
Yeah, one it was a good song.
Okay, BTS.
Yeah, coming back to
Euphoria?
BTS. So this was a single song of Jungkook, but other than that, the songs that are of BTS together, they are like they have, as he said, all of them have equal parts in the songs, like equal lines, equal singing, and then rap.
Do you remember when One Direction used to sing like they used to
Yeah,
have like
yeah.
similar portions of the song they were used to sing that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you heard this song for the first time, so you should.
Yeah, I loved it.
Yeah.
I really loved it.
Yeah, but still, it's not the full version.
Yeah, it's not the full version. It was more like showing you the video
Yeah.
of.
It's
Yeah,
like a
the story.
that's what I
of the
thought. I
song.
thought it was a really short song in terms of like however long like I could hear the song. Like first of all, it was like too much of space before the song, and
Yeah.
then after that,
Yeah.
like nothing was happening.
Video was
Audibly.
like a movie.
Video was going on like a movie. That's
Hmm.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So and you.
I don't know. I just liked it. I think that I will watch all your videos now.
Yeah. Now to watch
Now I
BTS.
Yay!
will.
Yeah.
That was our
You
task.
Yeah.
won't.
Mission accomplished.
You won't.
No, I will.
He's such a
You.
bastard.
Yeah.
You
You
won't.
definitely won't. There's no way you're going
I
to
think
watch
I
our
will.
videos.
I'm going to check is this.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for recommending Euphoria. It was so long due, and I hope you liked our reaction because we loved the video and clear out any of the queries that we have.
Yes.
Although I don't really have any queries, I know everything that was going
But still,
on.
they're going to do it.
Yeah,
so
but still,
welcome.
yeah, you're most welcome. I'm going to read it, every comment that you're going to do. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share our video and follow all of us on Instagram. And yes, we will see you in the next video.
Ta-da!
Don't do drugs!